Hey there, fellow drivers. Are you tired of worrying about what happens on the road when you're not there to witness it? Well, fret no more. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive technology. Today, we're diving into the world of dash cams, but not just any dash cams. We're talking about the best dash cams of 2024. Number 5. Thinkware X1000. The Thinkware X1000 dash cam is at the cutting edge of automobile safety technology, providing drivers with a comprehensive solution for documenting on-the-road accidents. The X1000 is designed to give unrivaled clarity, reliability, and peace of mind with a package of enhanced features and cutting-edge capabilities. With breathtaking 4K UHD quality, you can capture every detail. The X1000 offers crystal-clear film, allowing you to see license plates, road signs, and crucial information clearly. The X1000 excels in low-light circumstances thanks to its high-performance Sony STRVI's image sensor, which delivers vibrant and detailed photos even in demanding nighttime scenarios. Navigate various lighting conditions with ease. DDR technology on the X1000 optimizes exposure by balancing highlights and shadows for well-balanced, true-to-life recordings. Number 4. Nexer Pro. The Nexer Pro dash cam is a cutting-edge automobile accessory meant to provide drivers peace of mind while also improving road safety. The Nexer Pro is more than just a dash cam. It's your dependable witness on the road, thanks to enhanced capabilities and easy connection with smart technologies. With the Nexer Pro's high-resolution recording capabilities, you can capture every detail in crystal-clear quality. You'll have an exact record of your journey, whether it's a lovely drive or an unforeseen incident. The wide-angle lens provides all-around coverage of the road ahead. Record not only what is directly in front of you, but also the surrounding area, which will improve your overall safety. Intelligent event detection technology is built into the Nexer Pro. When it detects unexpected movements, crashes, or other significant incidents, it immediately captures and saves film, providing a trustworthy record for insurance claims or legal purposes. GPS integration adds context to your footage. The Nexer Pro logs your driving routes, speeds, and locations, providing essential information in the event of an accident. You can rapidly share important clips with insurance companies or law enforcement via Nexer's smart connectivity. The cloud storage option ensures that your footage is securely kept, even if the actual device is destroyed or stolen. With the Nexer Pro's night vision functionality, you can drive comfortably at any hour. Enhanced low-light recording ensures good footage when driving at night. The Nexer Pro communicates with your smartphone via a dedicated app. View and control your film from your mobile device, as well as alter settings and access additional options. The Nexer Pro's tiny shape guarantees that it blends in with your vehicle without blocking your view. Its sleek appearance adds a touch of luxury to your car interior. With voice control features, you can stay focused on the road. Using simple voice commands, you can easily start and stop recordings, take snapshots, and lock key material. The Nexer Pro Dashcam, a smart technology designed to redefine your driving experience, ushers in a new era of road safety. The Nexer Pro is more than just a bystander on the road. It is your alert companion, providing advanced features and intelligent technology to help you negotiate the unexpected ride ahead. The Nexer Pro takes safety to the next level with its collision avoidance system. It gives real-time alerts to help drivers avoid potential collisions using advanced sensors, offering an extra layer of protection on the road. Stay centered on the road with the Nexer Pro's lane departure warnings. The dashcam notifies you if it detects unintended lane drift, encouraging better driving behaviors. Improve your driving skills with the Nexer Pro's clever driver assist functions. From adaptive cruise control to automated emergency braking, these technologies contribute to a safer and more regulated driving experience. Number 3. Vantre E1. The Vantre E1 dashcam is a tiny and feature-rich solution designed to give you peace of mind while driving. This dashcam is expertly constructed, featuring a variety of innovative capabilities to help you capture every moment on the road with clarity and accuracy. The Vantre E1 has a dual camera system that captures both the road ahead and the interior of your car at the same time. This extensive coverage is great for rideshare drivers, since it ensures a complete record of your driving experience. Enjoy crystal clear, full HD video recording both in front of and inside your vehicle. The high-resolution footage is critical for catching details like license plates and facial features. The sophisticated Sony Starvis sensor provides outstanding image quality even in low-light circumstances. The Vantre E1 ensures that your recordings are clear and crisp, regardless of the time of day or night. UDR technology improves the dashcam's capacity to manage fluctuating light situations. This assures balanced and well-exposed footage, allowing you to catch details in both bright and dark surroundings. The built-in parking mode detects motion and begins recording when your vehicle is parked, adding an extra degree of security to your parked vehicles. The loop recording feature ensures that your dashcam's storage space is never depleted. Older footage is automatically overwritten by new recordings, allowing you to capture events indefinitely without worrying about storage limitations. In the event of a collision or sudden braking, the G sensor activates an emergency recording and locks the footage, preventing it from being overwritten. This important feature saves important recordings for later review. The dashcam has a large and intuitive LCD display, allowing for easy menu navigation and quick playback of recorded footage directly on the device. The Vantre E1 is designed for ease of use, with simple installation and intuitive controls, making it accessible to all drivers, regardless of technical expertise. The Vantre E1's tiny and discreet design guarantees that it blends into the interior of your vehicle without interrupting your line of sight. The Vantre E1 has GPS, so you can track your vehicle's location, speed, and route. This information is useful for both personal use and in the event of an issue. Capture breathtaking time-lapse recordings while traveling, highlighting picturesque routes or noteworthy situations. The time-lapse tool gives a creative touch to your recorded footage. Personalize the dashcam with customizable options such as video resolution, exposure levels, and more. This adaptability means that the Vantre E1 adjusts to your unique recording requirements. The dashcam includes a built-in microphone for recording audio in addition to video. This capability is ideal for recording discussions or ambient sounds within the vehicle. The Vantre E1's wide-angle lens provides a huge field of vision, capturing a comprehensive viewpoint of the road ahead and the interior of your vehicle. This broad coverage aids in the thorough documentation of events. The Vantre E1 is intended for easy installation, with a sturdy mounting solution that keeps the dashcam in place even during turbulent rides. The small size enables for unobtrusive placement within your vehicle. The parking mode capability saves energy, ensuring the dashcam stays watchful even while your vehicle is still for extended periods of time. This function improves surveillance capabilities without exhausting your vehicle's battery. The Vantre E1 is designed with advanced heat prevention features to prevent overheating, especially in hot weather. This feature increases the dashcam's longevity and reliability. Enjoy peace of mind with Vantre's comprehensive warranty and customer support. Knowing you have dependable support gives an extra degree of assurance to your investment. Number 2. NEXSPACE AQ Smart Dashcam. The NEXSPACE AQ Smart Dashcam redefines in-car safety and security. This dashcam is packed with innovative features and cutting-edge technology to provide drivers with peace of mind on every ride. Capture every detail in breathtaking 4K resolution. The IQ Smart Dashcam provides crystal-clear footage, allowing you to evaluate occurrences in unprecedented detail. The dashcam's emergency SOS feature automatically alerts emergency services with your location and essential information in the case of a collision, assuring fast assistance when it's most needed. The wide-angle lens captures the whole road ahead. This ensures that all vital detail is recorded, even in congested areas. Drive confidently at any time. The IQ Smart Dashcam captures clear and detailed footage in low light or nighttime circumstances thanks to superior night vision technology. Number 1. NEXSPACE 622 GL. The NEXSPACE 622 GL redefines your on-road safety by integrating cutting-edge features with outstanding visual clarity. This quality dashcam, designed to catch every detail, ensures your safety on the road while also providing innovative connectivity features for a seamless user experience. With breathtaking 4K HD resolution, you can take your video recording to the next level. The NEXSPACE 622 GL shoots crisp and clear video, catching license plates, road signs, and other important information with excellent clarity. Drive with assurance. day or night. Guys, that concludes our top 5 best dash cams of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.